Hello YouTube. In this video I will show you how you can remove Google Lock from Realme Note 60. So my model it is RMX3933 and it is running on Android 14 and with the chipset Unisoc Tiger T612. So for this method we're going to use UnlockTool. So this is a tool that I'm going to use, and on the supported models over here we can see whether it is supported or not. We're going to go to Realme section over here and we're going to write the model. In my case it is Note 60. Okay, so here it is, and the model RMX3933 is the first one over here, but it will support also Note 60X and many more. Now this is a paid tool, and in order to get this one you need to purchase it, or if you have only one or two devices you can just rent it for a couple of hours. This website is pretty cool, elviral.com, and in that site it has a listing that will allow you to rent this tool for 6 hours, and after purchasing you can reach them through WhatsApp. On the bottom also there is WhatsApp number, so you can contact them directly after purchasing. Okay, let's get back to the procedure, how to proceed with the software. First of all, you will need to log in. It will take a couple of seconds for the software to load, and I'm just gonna go through real fast. And this is the tool. It has pretty different models supported, and we're gonna go on this one, the Spectrum, and over here on the bottom left you see brand. Tap on brand, we're gonna select Realme, and over here we're gonna select the model that we want to proceed, which is C60. So it is not the model, it is a Realme Note 60, but this one will also do the work if you select this model. We're gonna click format data, because doing this one it will also erase the FRP on our device. What you need to do is you need to disconnect the cable and power off the phone, and after that press and hold volume down, and while holding volume down you just need to connect the cable. That's all you need to do. The process is quite easy. Let me do it right now and let's see the result on the right side of the software. Okay, so as you see, the software is already running. It is sending some payloads, authentication data, preloader. Okay, it failed. So if it fails like this, it means that the drivers are not properly installed. So we need to install the drivers first, and for that one we're gonna need the software called libusb. So this is the link. You have the link tinyurl.com/libusb. It will lead you to the same screen. Click on the download option. Hit yes to install it. Click next several times, agree to the terms. Okay, next, install. It will install pretty fast. Okay, select the first one, and here we go. This is the one. So there are different drivers missing on my side, but we will see only the one that we need. You can install the others if you want, but I'm not gonna install on this one. So again, what you need to do is basically same thing like I told before. You need to disconnect the cable and power off the phone. After the phone is completely off, you need to hold volume down and power, and after that connect. Okay, so this is a driver that is missing. You see on the left it is spread, and then after you hit install, everything should go smoothly. So now it passed the first step, and in a few seconds you should see the same as I did, like FRP reset, okay, erasing user data, okay. So both are done, FRP and factory data reset.